Okay. So what is Maven and how to download a Maven, install a Maven? First we'll see that one and what to do with the Maven. First, what is Maven? So Maven is a software project management and comprehensive tool based on the concept of project object model. Maven manage something it is given. See, build automation tool used primarily for Java projects. Java projects. Okay. Maven also used to build and manage the projects written in C Sharp, Ruby, Scala, and other languages, hosted by Apache Foundation. Okay. So what is a Maven? It is here also you can see one who experience knowledge. Okay, that is the meaning only. Okay, so you can download a Maven using a Apache website only, Maven.apache. Just you can type in Google, you will find that one. I'm also sharing the link, so from where you can able to download. Okay. Next, you can system requirements is JDK minimum 1.7 means JDK 7. Okay, so we have a JDK 11. 10 MB is minimum requirement. 500 GB in a for local repositories. Different links are there. So here for we are using Windows operating system means zip file. tar zz means it is for a Linux or Unix kind of stuff. And there it is src. This is bin. Okay, so here you can download this one. This is a source file. This is binary file. Always download binary zip file only. Download this one. Okay, I clicked on it. It will take time to download because my free download manager has to open, do it, working. It is open. So there is a Maven commands also there. You can go to Maven and Maven use. You can go to Maven use. This is start tutorial. So if you want to learn tutorial, or you can go to 5-minute test pre request. Okay, now it is so same thing. Okay, so 10 MB file only, zip file. So first command is Maven version. So this is creating a project. In this one, in a build, we have to give our artifacts and version, company names, group IDs, version names, jar, like that. It is there. Okay. This is a POM file. It is having that one. So you can see in the one. What is the model version, group ID? Group ID means our package ID. Okay, and artifact ID, version. How to take versions in that one. Okay, and next, what kind of testing you want to do it. Okay, based on installing your pieces. This is for learning. Main important, the commands are important, so I'm searching for a commands like a mvn test. Okay, mvn test and compile, mvn package, mvn install, mvn site, mvn clean. Okay, so like that. So these are things available. So okay, if you want to build like a jar file or var file, so you can able to use that one. Actually, I have a working one in my PC also there. Is it downloaded? Yeah, downloaded. So first of all, we should install Maven. So it is not .exe file; it's a zip file only. It means you have to extract it. Apache Tomcat, Apache Maven. This one, Maven 3.8.1. Our Java version is 11. We are using now currently. Okay, so this is 3.11.1. 3.8.1 Maven we are using. Okay, so extract all. I'm extracting everything into C drive only in general, right? So I put a C drive, remove this folder, everything. Okay, so this is a C drive, extract. So instead of extracting in this folder and copying it, so I'm directly extracting into C drive from my Z drive. Commands we use here, it's nothing but a automated build tool. Okay, so mvn is a command we use here, like a mvn version, mvn clean, okay, mvn test, mvn compile, mvn package, mvn install, like this. These are different commands are there. Okay, hyphen version or hyphen version, we'll see that one. Now it is extracted. The big back one is we should close. This is a C drive. Open it. So directly it is there. Okay, it is double one is there. So what I'm going to do is I'll put it here. Now this is empty. Delete the empty one carefully. Then this is the files. This is a bin. So copy entire thing. Why? Because we need a environmental variables. I typed it, but where is it? En environ. This is system edit environmental variables. You have to give the path and also home directory. Okay, so home directory not created for this one, just I'm giving a path now. Path, edit, new, paste. Okay, next click on new here in bottom only, system only I'm doing. Here environmental name is m2 underscore home, and give the path, not with bin, so just the first path like this one. Okay, like this. Okay, that m2 home, click ok. Okay, it is 3 actually. Actually, this is M3, not M2 home. Okay, so again, environmental variables, it is came already. With version number 3, right? So then you can use M2 or M3, no problem. Otherwise, you can use M3, M3 home, or only M3. You can put it here, M3 location, Hobin. Here I put M3. Here I put M3 because sometimes it is searching for Jenkins and so this is completed. Okay, here now environmental set is completed. In Jenkins also we have to set up. In Jenkins also we have to set up that one. So environmental variables where it is located. So we don't do Jenkins now. So when we do Jenkins, that time we will see. So you can create directly a Maven project, or you can take the Maven project from previously. So here, file, new project, Java with Maven, and Java application or web application, anything you can take it. So I'm taking Java application, Java with Maven, Java application. Next. So this is showing a Maven project one, or a demo Maven project. Any name you can change. So I put a demo Maven project. So I put a small letters only. Demo Maven project one. This is showing .com .company. Instead of that, I will put a company name is My Vedic. Okay. So you can give more in also .com .mavic different group IDs also you can give. Otherwise, you can leave like that, no problem. Okay. So instead of my company, I put a My Vedic. Okay. So this is demo Maven, My Vedic, and package name comes like this. Finish it. I finished it. So is it going on something or anything? I created just now only created, right? No, it is not creating. You now understand why I use this NetBeans or Eclipse. I try to show you how to install it. For you, it is not mandatory. Like, sir, I don't know how to. What is this Marvin kind of stuff? How to create a Java programming and all? No problem because it already I uploaded. Already I given one thing that is execute automation thing. Second one is I shared my link. So in that one, Marvin projects are there, working projects. Okay. So this is the package new Java class. You can see Java class. Next, what is your Java class name? Like, so I put a demo class one. So package is different and class name is different. Or you can use same class name also. Project name, class name as same. Also you can use it if you want. You can use both are same. Now class is created. So when it is created automatically, the package everything information is added. Okay, so this is it. But it is added a class only. But where is that main method and why main method should be added now? When I created, I maybe I didn't told what main method it is. So this is the main method. But I'm copying entirely this one. This the void main is a main method. Without a main method, it is won't work out. So which one is what is the main method? It is what is the meaning of this main method? Is it execute main method? First method is as its first one. Okay, then it will if you say so many things main methods and all, so it will execute later. Currently, I want to execute only one, so then I put all these things into comments. Okay, like this. Okay, no errors and all, nothing. So only one line. So here the line I will change. Okay, hello Marvin project. Now save it. Now right click, run, or you can run from it. So it is initializing something. So it is saying available main class is this one. Select main class. What is this packaging meanings? Is nothing, just like a subsets only. Like your normal domain naming is there, no? Same thing like what is the actually meaning of domain means a particular area or a particular thing. It is initially it will download all the Maven related repositories first, and then it will do remaining things. Just running the project, right? So that's it. If you go through the this one, you can find a file called a pom.xml file. This is the pom.xml file. Open pom.xml file. You can see model version, okay, group ID, artifact ID, version, name, and Java. So whenever you build this one, it is this name dot Java jar, it will come up. And what is my Java version? 11 version. Okay, so this is pom.xml will tell you how to build it, what is their names, what is group ID, what is artifact ID means, what is main project ID. This is artifact ID. It is like a folders only under com MyVedic Demo Maven Project 1. For example, I created another package com MyVedic Demo Maven Project 2, com MyVedic Employees Details com MyVedic Company Details. Like that, we can separately can create a different package all under one single project only. Okay, it is showing successful. Hello Marvin is showing here. Okay, this is just a run for testing purpose. Okay, now I will take these files from where actually location. How to do manually this Marvin kind of stuff. So documents, NetBeans projects. This is demo Marvin. This is SRC main Java com MyVedic, like this. This is a complete set, right? So this is a final file. Again, target classes, generate sources, Marvin status. Okay, so see those things now. So POM file. If you change the POM file, like instead of jar, you can do var like that. And only three things are directly showing. Internally also you can verify. So I'm copying this one, putting in my E drive. So E drive directly I'm putting. So I'm not copying into anyone. So just I'm directly putting here. So you can update into Git also like this directly, or you can execute. Now my point is executing this one. So I'm using PowerShell because CMD is not available indirectly, or you can go to CMD and go it. But I have to change the folder settings and CD change directories and that. Okay. Now this is I went inside this one. Then I will execute some Maven commands. First of all, normally we have to check in a sorry in CMD. Here we have to check Maven is installed or not. Very simple. Maven MVN enter. It will display Maven command. Simple. MVN enter. That's enough. So it will display all MVN commands. What are the commands are there? Okay, it is showing building and all. MVN hyphen version. Just I need to see the version and the commands. So it is showing where it is Marvin home is located, MVN version, and what is other things including Java version also it is showing. Okay. Okay. Now I will put a MVN here because this is contain a Marvin project. So I will put a MVN enter. Just enter. It try to understand if it is Marvin thing, then it is showing build project failure. I don't know what. So we'll see normal commands only. Why it is showing like that we don't know. Ambient clean. So when you put a clean, automatically it will clean and it will download the repositories first. But why it is showing some kind of error? No need to show error. Okay. Now it is cleaning. Clean plugin is downloaded and it will start doing this cleaning kind of stuff. It download all the required plugins first and then do that one. Okay, build success. Okay, so what is build success also we don't know, but just it's the cleaning thing. So when I put a clean, see where is the target? The target is gone. Means whatever it is generated previously, so that is gone. Okay, that is called clean. Again, next one will generate something. So compile. Next command is I want to compile this code. Compile MVN code. If there is any mistakes inside a code, also don't do anything. Just only Maven library is related only. So compile plugin. Now see the target is generated automatically. Next, after compile, you have to do cleaning. Again, clean means it will remove the target and again it will do something. Next, compile, test, test, or test compile, test hyphen compile also you can do it. MVN clean test I will given. So first it will do clean and then test. Now it is removed the target, so you can see background. Again, it's compiling and test it. If you put a test means you do compile, test, compile, compile, test, compile, and test. For testing, it is downloading these repositories. No test to run, and it is build success. Next, again, clean. I showed compile, clean, compile, test, package, install. So many are there. So I use a package. First, it is clean. Okay, it is created a jar file also, because I said package and install both will create a jar package. So you can see where it is Java package is created, name of the jar package. Okay. Next one is install. Okay, there are so many other commands also there. These are the basic commands. Okay, Maven is a build, test, compiling tools for mainly for Java related programs. According to the POM file information, so it will build a thing. Okay, start. So if you see, like you when you do, so there is a few things are generated, including jar file also. If you want to run this jar file, so you can run it. You can double click if you want it. Okay. I am in target, so Java hyphen jar. So demo name. It is showing no main manifest attributes in this one. It is showing like that. Manifest attributes are not there. So some issue is there. So then we have to check it again. It is not able to find the load class kind of stuff. It shows. Leave it. It is. So this is how we can able to do Maven things with the then same thing we can able to do with with what we say in a Jenkins also. Okay, so either you can give the source code from here, or maybe you can give the information, um, source code from here directly, or you can upload into GitHub, and we can do with the Jenkins also. So far, we don't have much time to split this part into two parts. So what I'm doing is I am going to create a one repository in my Jenkins. So in your side, so you need to create all these things. Again, installation of NetBeans and all, it is always headache. So what I'm going to tell, so better, okay, I given a name. What I'm telling is, um, better you um, better take my existing Maven projects from my site and you can build it. Otherwise, if you want more working or workable kind of stuff, I already told execute automation, GitHub is there, so then you can get it from there. Before I am uploading, so I'm going to clean this one because the target is there already inside. If I upload, the target will be there. So I can use run Maven goals clean. I can do it. Otherwise, I can clean it from here also. Goals goal is clean only. Okay, that's it. Just clean. So this target will be gone. Otherwise, along with the target, it will go inside. Again, you have to do cleaning and all kind of stuff. So showing, so deleting the target directory. So it is remove the directory, and it is only keep the original thing only, the src thing, main java.com like this. This is the original file. Now cleaning is completed. Now I'm going to put it in Git. So you can see versioning, initialize the Git repository. Okay. So I'm putting in a Git. Initializing is finished. So what is the next one? Git add. Git add. Okay. Now add is finished. Commit. So Git, go to commit. You can give a commit anything. So my first commit are anything. First commit. These two files are only there. So commit. Commit is completed. Next remote push. Okay. So here it is asking URL. I took a URL from here, right? So this is my project URL from GitHub. I paste it. For example, you want to take it and develop and give it me again. You can do it because it's a public repository. Select the branch. Next, already it is selected. Master branch only. Finish. Yes, something. So here, if you want servers and all, you can GitHub servers also. You can mention somewhere services and all. Here also you can do it. So this is uploaded successfully in a Git. So refresh the Git. So this is the file location. So make sure that form.xml should be visible like this. Then only you'll understand it is a Jenkins file. Next, we have to create a project in Jenkins. So demo is become red color. So no problem. We'll see that one later. Here I will now this I will change a little bit pattern. It is this is a project. It's a demo Marvin project, right? Demo Marvin project. Same name I'm giving, or you can do a different name also. You can use this one as a freestyle project, or you can use it as a Marvin project. So I'm clicking on Marvin project. Okay, I'm clicking on Marvin project. Marvin. Direct Marvin commands will work here. So it will understand more. It is I click two times now, so that's why it is showing like that error. This is demo Marvin project. Click on it. Configure. So this one video completely like downloading Marvin. Okay. Okay. Source code is a GitHub. So this is my link. Okay. So from my GitHub Marvin link. Build triggers. If you want to put a build triggers kind of stuff, see automatically it is check mark is came. I didn't check it. Build whenever a snapshot dependency is built. Scheduled build some upstream is no successful build. Like that it is also showing. Okay. This is delete workspace before you build start. Okay. To remove the workspace and it will start. So it is build environment. I put it. Okay. So if you want to advance anything, send executable files about this one. Add timestamps to console output. Inject the environment variables to build a process. Like you want to tell what is the environmental variables, you can tell it. Okay. Build with ant like this. Put a build name. Set a build name like this. This is a pre-steps. So it is showing Jenkins need to know where Maven is installed. So we didn't information given to this one. So then it is giving like this. So first of all, we should go to the tool configurations. We have to tell it. So I'm saving it. Later we have to come back to this one. Okay. So we have to go to dashboard. In that one, global tool configurations, manage Jenkins. Global tool configuration, you have to tell where is the Maven is stored. So this is a Maven configuration. It is showing settings and all. I'm going to this one only. Add Maven installation, Maven. So unselect it. So here it is, Maven underscore home. So I have to give the home directory where it is located, Maven. So it is in my C drive. So I given Maven here. So what I'm giving, I will give Maven 38. Okay. So Maven it will understand. I will give Maven 38 or M3. Otherwise you can give M3 underscore home or M3. Okay. So I'm giving a home, not path. Okay. We'll see. Save it. If you still we get an error, then we will do it. Okay. So Maven, and I given a where it is actually Maven is available. Then go to build history. Uh, oh, it is all total history it is showing. Okay, so go to dashboard. So dashboard again, Maven project configure. I done some selections just to show the selections only. It is not compulsory. The selections which is I done in middle. Important one is already I told source code is important. Okay, and build is important. These are all optional one only. Okay, and goals and options. So what is your goal? Like that you can also will tell. Okay, goals and all. Like uh, clean. First goal is clean. Oh, it is only clean is accepting. So I can do more things. No problem. So only clean now. So build now. Okay. So okay, this is I think it is not started. I press two times. Then it is build now. It is two times. It is console is going on. First it is taking from your git. So last commit is first commit. It is Jenkins 2.2277.3 we are using. The questions here: what is Git and what is the use of Git? What is Jenkins? How you create a project in Jenkins? Okay, so that is the two questions are important. That's it. So everything, every practical you need to explain it. But if they ask, really you are done or not? Because of why? Because of guys, why I'm telling all these things also. certain other institutes means other people who are giving training parallelly also. Some are not at all giving training. Okay, so that's just they are giving you question banks and answers also. That's what we got it from here. So now first command is clean is executing. So understand that one. Successful. The clean part is successful. So this is the system clock and this kind of stuff, console output. So this is if you see observe the time we started it here 2 minutes it took to complete it. Now back to the project. Configure. Anybody want to do pipelining also? Previous batch pipelining is available. You can try because my time is out. I have hardly 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes. This is a very slow process. Okay, so you can go to advanced and extend these options. You can do post build wise or post steps means run only if successful, run if it is succeeded or unstable, regardless of build result, like that it is there. Okay, you can add the things, go to advanced. Otherwise um, you can get other information also here. Incremental build only, build change module kind of stuff, other information. So a lot of things are there to do it. Okay. So here I put a thing. So we'll see what will happen. Just I'm doing this one. Build settings, email notification kind of stuff. Save. Go to build now. Then new build is started. So starting it is itself blue color. Means it is going on good. So you can see the timestamp. Deleting workspace. You can see it deleted the workspace. What are the content previously? It is deleted and freshly loading it. And here is a error. Marvin is failure. So why failure? You have to check it. So I given clean compile clean package install -cp on it. So it is not understanding why so many things are there. So it is showing throwing error directly. Now this is how we can able to do it. We done with the only clean and others when you give, so automatically it is yes, yes, I got the point. Build, this is a pre-build step. Advanced options we are not even, it's a build pre-build step. Okay, this is build steps we need it. So this is the build, this is pre-build step. Mm, invoke top level Maven target, like this you can give. Okay, this is a pre-build step. Otherwise you can go to Post build also. Post build actions are here also. Add build post build steps. After this one, what to do? Like that also you can give. So, so this is pre build step. This is build. This is post build. The first clean is executed. You can give it from here also. Invoke top level Maven targets. Okay, four steps. M3 because I put a name is M3. Different goals are there. Just click on this one. You'll get a big list. Just clean and compile. Already clean is there. So only clean compile. Just compile is enough. Test package like that. You can give. Okay. So like so every time clean is important. It's not like that. It is your wish to do it. Now the change is done. Again build now. Now fourth one is starting. It is showing red color. It's going on. If you observe, it is going on. Now why it is showing like this? Could not find or load main class. So why it is always showing this one? Again build failure. It is very good one. Maybe upload is wrong. One second. So there is something wrong. We have to troubleshoot it. Okay. Because of too much. Where it is something always this problem. This problem is not belongs to Jenkins. This problem is normal. It's a system based problem. Showing starting only at there is no use of this, and this is something is happened. Maybe I have to restart my PC. Okay, I have to restart my PC, so I will see it later. But earlier it is working, one part is working, but this invoking commands, Java invoking part, it is establishes socket, then it is running. Why it is showing Java clean, Ambient clean, right? So because the first one is not successful, the second one is giving a shit. It's okay, guys. Our times is up. Okay, so we'll see the remaining things later. Okay, try it. Git and basic Jenkins. My working one is also there, so actually you can go to this one. Marvin Web Project is one. Another Marvin project is also there. You can go to repositories. You can take it from here and you can execute. So one is Marvin Pro one. Another one is Marvin Project 2, Marvin Demo 1. The old ones are working, guarantee. Marvin Project 1 2, Marvin Web Project 1. So the olds are guarantee working because carefully we done. The new ones are in a demo time now, so again we have to repair and okay. Actually, it is working, but something is happened that cleaning part are I given some options, right? So maybe because of that options, maybe uploading into central also it could be a problem. Okay, so I didn't change anything, so here I put this one. Okay, and we do this one. So clean install. So I will use this one now. What will happen? Last one. But I okay, I done two times. So, okay. Same error again and again, again and again. I don't know why it is showing like that. Earlier, first one it is working, right? It's meeting time for us. It's okay. It's a failure. So we'll show you see in the next part later. Okay. Docker is there tomorrow morning. First, I will show you Docker installation and Docker image and how to image containers and how to create image and that one. at least image and container. Difference is Docker. One or two terminologies I will show you. First installation and another one. Okay. After this part is completed, I'm going to install a Hyper-V in Windows 10, and Docker is also I will install today only. Tomorrow I will install, and tomorrow ITL. Guys, everybody should be present.